This is a guided visualization by Keren's School of Thought, designed to harmonize the systems of mental, emotional, and data-driven functions in your body. This will allow for clear communication with your cells, and it'll give you sovereignty over the balance in your mind and your vibration and your body. Settle into a comfortable position in your body and in your feeling and in your mind. If you feel any unhelpful pressure in the body anywhere, simply shift to ease it. If you feel any feelings of doubt or anxiousness or impatience, shift to ease it. And if your mind is still racing with thoughts of this or that, shift to ease it. Like that. Be grounded and sink into the moment. In your way of weaving yourself into the here and now, be grounded and sink in. Breathe deeply and follow your way of bringing in as much life force and depth as you can through your breath. And sink in. As you sink in, your awareness goes deep. Into your skin, into your blood, into the energy textures of your happy and your sad. Goes into your electricity, into your data, into a deep soil of underground richness that makes up what you are. Deep in this soil, you conjure up on the dark canvas a tree. Your imagination creates any tree you like. The texture of the bark, the height and thickness of the trunk, the strength of the branches, and the complexity of the twigs, and the shimmer and shape of the leaves, the way the light falls on it to illuminate certain colours over others, and the way the shadows play, giving movement to the light as it travels across the tree of your creation. Now imagine that the tree is revolving on its own axis. Watch as what you see evolves as you turn the tree with your imagination. Instantly a new view, a new perspective of the tree. What a marvel that we can create so intricately, so precisely, and so rapidly. Look, at the bottom of the trunk is a little door. You open the door and move through. into a hallway. A long hallway, sinking even deeper into yourself. There are many things you pass on the way, but they're not relevant to here and now. It's quite safe to ignore it all, to let it be as it is, knowing full well that your sovereignty to come is exactly what you need to address it in the right time and in the right way. So for now, all you need to do is sink even deeper into yourself. At the end of the hallway is a glass door. There's a sign on the doorway, and it says Main Control. You peek through the glass. There are trillions of bright white beings, disciples of yours, angels, helpers, and they are operating a miraculously intricate control panel with an infinite number of impulses flashing in marvelous harmony of light and song. And in some places, the light and song seems in disharmony. The bright white beings are orchestrating it all. They are plucking your strings for you. You have given them the instructions. They know what to do, and they know how to do it. You enter the door. You stand before your cellular entourage, the trillions of them, and they all notice you. A gasp, a shiver moves through you as it does through them. Now, the boss has arrived, they say. They've been waiting. You are so beloved by these loyal helpers. And you speak these words to them. I know who I am. I know why I'm here. I authorize in this moment for all of you to unite and transform all notes interfering with the divine harmony of our collective song. We remember that original song. We recognize what is not like it. We allow, we forgive, and we release. Now, the command is received, and all your trillions celebrate in relief and gratitude, which flows throughout the entire self, from the control panel into your feelings and through every identity you once were, right into the heart that is ready to let go, through the mind that drops the anxious thinking, and into every muscle and organ, shedding the tension in the body. There's no longer anything to hold on to. Just like that. Because the divine soul song can be played by your cells now with no interference. I know who I am. I am here. I have arrived. I am sovereign over my body, my vibration, and my mind. I am the control panel.